Morning, Wildcats, and welcome back to CYOC. We're going to get started with level 3 this week. I'm going to just take you guys through the level and the research, and then I'm going to remind you guys of a few things we've put into Schoology for you, and then hopefully you guys can get to work. Okay? All right, so level 3, landforms and climate zones. Okay. A lot of you guys talked about these and your flags and some of the things you wanted to include. Well, this is where you guys get to include them, okay? All right, first up is research, always step 1. Okay, so make sure you click on the research document. It's gonna have you make a copy. All right, you and your partners need to make sure that you put your names up in the title. Okay, this will help us know whose is whose. You guys, this one's gonna be a little bit different than the research you've done before in level 2. Okay, because there's so many different climate zones and landforms, we're gonna have you guys just narrow your focus down a little bit. And just do some research on a few. So we've listed all the climate zones here. You guys are going to pick 4, and you guys are going to do independent research on 4 different climate zones. You're going to put the name, the link to the website, a short description of the climate zone, and then 3 key pieces to know about that climate zone. Okay, and it can be any of the 4 listed here in this chart or table. Okay. If you have the notes from HEI, you can use those as well, guys. Okay. Then you guys are going to go down to landforms, okay? And you're going to do very similar, same thing, all right? You're going to highlight 6 landforms, all right, here in the table. And you're going to, actually, we've provided you with the source if you want to use it. If you use a different source, you will need to link it in here. But name of the landform, short description of the landform, real world example, and key things to know about this landform, okay? You're going to do that for all 6, okay? So instead of having you guys read about all of them, we're having you guys kind of narrow your focus again, and you guys get to choose, okay? This whole thing needs to be completed, all right, with quality. Remember that, because this is a huge part of your reading grade for this level, okay? And then you're going to link a live link to that document, guys. This was a problem for some of you guys in the last level, so make sure that you guys go through the steps and link a live link. Okay, to the document. We should be able to see the entire document, not just your annotations, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, then getting into the level itself, okay? You're gonna pick first your landforms, okay? You're gonna have a total of 4. You can have more than that, but we specifically are gonna look at 4. We want you guys to do have a little bit of the real experience that you would get in the classroom, and so what we usually would do, okay, is you guys would like sign up and we would come around with the wheel and you guys would spin. So we want you guys to be as honest as you can, okay? Because we want you guys to have an authentic experience, okay? So you're gonna spin the wheel and it's tell you whatever you land on. So peninsula. So then you would go back in here and you would write for your first landform peninsula. And you're gonna do that for the first 2. Then for the second 2, you guys can just pick, okay? So you and your partners, if you have them, choose what you want, all right? But for the first 2, we would love for you guys to have the fun of spinning the wheel, okay? It's just going to be the ones here in the table. It's nothing too crazy, okay? Then once you guys get your 4 landforms, you're going to kind of do your analysis piece for each one. So you're going to put, so if this was peninsula, you're going to put peninsula here again. Then you guys are going to create a name for it, all right? So if I got peninsula, I would maybe make it like Moxie Peninsula for my dog or something like that, okay? We want you guys to relate it though back to your island. So some of you guys talked about like having a fun, like safe place. So maybe come up with like a word in a different language that means safe or fun. You know, kind of play around with it, see what works for you guys. All right. And then you guys are just going to tell me what's unique and fun about that specific landform in your country. Okay. And then you're going to draw a picture. It's either on paper or digitally, again, and paste it here, just like you've done with your flag before. And that's your analysis for landform 1. Then you're going to do the same exact thing for the other 3 landforms, okay? Then you're going to get down to climate zones, all right? Same thing, you're going to have 2 different climate zones on your island. The first one we really want you guys to spin for, okay? So again, you're going to pop up that wheel, spin for the wheel, put the climate zone here. So let's say you get Marine West Coast. So you'll put Marine West Coast here. And then what are some ways that it'll impact, okay? So this question here, how do climate zones impact people in my country? It actually kind of goes with this. This is the question. We've given you guys the sentence starter here, okay? So some of the ways they will impact, some of the ways they will be impacted. This is talking about the people. All right, include, tell me how Marine West Coast would impact people. Okay, and then you guys are going to draw or digitally create, again, a visual to go with that climate zone, okay, to represent it on your island. And you're going to do that for climate zone 1 and climate zone 2. Okay, if you have questions with that, don't forget to email or pop into one of the Zoom meetings this week. And then the last step for this level is a little bit different. So on level 2, you guys did your analysis and it was fill in the blank. This one we've left open-ended for you because we're really going to try to get into that writing piece. All right, so here you guys are going to write an argumentative paragraph, all right, explaining like how your landforms, climate zones, and weather are all going to work together in your country and why you chose some of those things, okay? So don't forget that when you put your claims in there, that you also put evidence and reasoning, okay? This is an argumentative paragraph, so if you need to look back at your ELA stuff for that, I would do so, okay? And then again, we have your checklist. All right, your submission piece, please make sure you guys submit it correctly. We did have some people that did not let us view, or excuse me, did not let us comment on the document. We need to be able to comment on your documents, okay? This is how we leave suggestions for future documents. This is how we give you guys time to correct things, edit things, to get a higher score on each level. There were quite a few people that we went through and graded on level 1 and 2, and we couldn't leave comments. And so you might not understand your grade and why you got your grade. So whenever you guys hit share, all right, it might look a little different than this, okay, but make sure that you guys put either edit or comment, all right, when you share it with us, okay? That's going to help us out and you out quite a bit. And then learning goals at the bottom, and that's it. It is a little bit longer, guys. There's a little bit more analysis to it, but don't forget that each level is going to get a little bit longer, so that's why we're giving you guys plenty of time to get these done, okay? All right, that's pretty much it, guys. Just a couple reminders. In Schoology, we have the calendar in here for you guys to show you when stuff is going to be posted and due. Quick little checklist. And then we've also put in this tips, this like tips and reminders Google Sheet in here for you guys. And again, these are just things to go back and just double check that you've done, like make sure we can edit things, make sure that you've put your names at the top of all the documents, okay? For the specific levels, we've put these things in there. So again, we put in a reminder about that analysis piece, okay? So if you want to read this before you submit, it'll probably help you guys out, okay? All right, guys. Hope this level goes well, and I can't wait to see you guys when I make my next video.